So, hindi sila magpapapasok hanggat di mo pa tayo. Dahil ang schedule ko is 10:30. So, mag-iintay pa ako dito. Pero nandito ko sa Coleman office. Or Dr. Aida. Nakakita kong Jollibee, guys. Kaso palang kanin to. Ayan, naliligaw na ako. Yes, Google Maps, nililigaw mo ako. First, okay lang, malamig-lamig na.
Turn left toward Montewin Street.
Turn left daw. Sige, ito na. Kalmahan na. Hinahanap ko yung kiki mo. Uy, ang layo ah.
Slight right onto Montewin Street.
Right. Underway. Underway. Oh my God. Pero walang tao doon. Pero kakaliwa. Ang bobo naman dito. Google Maps. Freak ka. Ayun. Ito naman palang po doon sa taas. Bakit ako dito? Pinagpadaan. Ayun, hindi ko lang tawiran. Meron na. May tawiran, guys. Ayan guys, nakauwi na ako. So, today, ang mga agenda na ating nagawa ay first, naglipat ako ng maleta doon sa Mayfu, kung saan ako nakakuha ng apartment. And then, after that, pumunta ako sa immigration to get my Hong Kong ID. And then, after that, binigyan nila ako ng papel doon sa may immigration para babalik ako around March 5 onwards to get the physical ID. And then, after that, pumunta na ako doon sa may Prince Building kung saan yung uniform fitting namin. So, sobrang nakakapagod kasi lahat yun gagawin mo. Dahil, ito na lang yung time na free ako. So, pinagsabay-sabay ko na kasi mag-check out na ako dito sa hotel on the 27th. So, lahat yun ginawa ko na sabay-sabay today. Para sa 27th ng morning, mag-check out na ako. Kasi doon, pag-uwi ko, after school ay diretso na ako sa apartment, which is dun sa Mayfu. Ayun lang naman guys. So, tomorrow is start na ng lesson. So, mag-aaral na ako after this. Pahinga lang, then ligo, then start na ako mag-review again kasi may exam kami tomorrow. Not exam, quiz lang naman. But that's it. Mag-advance reading na din ako for the next lessons.
3 days later.
Hi guys! So, kakauwi ko lang from my class. And then, magkikita-kita kami ng mga classmate ko sa Mongkok. Kakain daw kami dahil Friday today. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ko, guys. looks like fish here.
Claire, Sumi,
Where is...
she's going to buy the ticket.
Oh, we wait for
Close
her.
at the 9 o'clock, so
Oh.
she'll go to buy the ticket first and刚刚对面那个商我们是你说的。
Go. This is video.
Video? Yeah, video.
How do you say hi in Philippines?
Hello. Hi. Hi.
We don't have like...
Do you have any special?
Hi, mabuhay.
Hi, mabuhay. Hello.
Yeah.
It's from SD card.
Yeah. You can also get it from the phone.
The next day.
Hi. Today I'm going to Kowloon kasi nabigay yung mga classmates mag-review. So, let's go eat Sunday today. And madami kaming inaaral. So, let's go. Matthew! Hi! Johnny boy!
Johnny boy.
So serious.
Okay.
Here's our picnic place. So busy while I'm just recording. Let's go.
Take a nap.
What are we doing? We're reviewing, not napping, you know. Oh, she better. Yun.
One eternity later.
Health and feel weak and climbing skin and pop.
So, nakauwi na ako and nakaligo na ako. And sobrang dami nangyari this week. Pero, hopefully, okay naman. And, makapasa sa training. Yun lang guys. Bye! See